Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. It has been about 4 months since I last posted a makeup look on my channel. I know it's been so long. As you know, the world was in a pandemic, so I didn't have too many chances to really create makeup looks. I didn't really have any reason to buy new makeup. Just because I wasn't going anywhere, so it wasn't really necessary. Ever since the pandemic has kind of gone down a little, I have been able to go out a little bit. If you follow my vlogs, then you know I have been putting on this specific look lately, and I've just been really loving it. I feel like these days, natural look is the way to go. So that is what I'm going to be creating in this video today. So if you are interested in seeing what I'm going to create in today's video, then you know the drill. Keep on watching. Today's video is just going to be a quick makeup look. A look that I've been rocking lately. Like I mentioned earlier in the intro, if you see my vlogs, you know that I've been rocking this specific look, especially the wing liner. I was off the wing liner for a little bit, but it came back and I've just been loving it so much. So I'm definitely going to be creating that look today. First step always is to prime my eyes. I'm just using up this P. Louise base primer. Eyes are prime, and I'm going in with the palette next. I've been using this palette a lot. This is from the brand called Dear Dahlia. This is a Korean brand. This is a pretty luxe brand, so it is a little bit more expensive, but I really do love the colors in this palette. This is the Garden of Light palette in the shade Dawn. They did come out with 2 different palettes for their spring collection. Even though I really love all the colors in this palette, for this specific look I either go in with this light orange shade right here or this light gray shade. I think I will be going in with this light gray shade for today's look. And what I like about this is that it's not too pigmented, so you will really need to kind of build it up, which is okay with me because that's not the look that I'm trying to go for. I'm not trying to go for a really dark, intense look. I'm just trying to go for a more natural gray look. That's why I'm really liking this palette. It is very light to begin with, and of course you can always build the color up. So I am just swiping this color back and forth on my crease. Do the same thing to the other side. Just do a back and forth motion and put it on the crease. And that is it for this look. All I need to do next is put in a wing liner, but that is going to be later. So let's just work on the face real quickly. I've been using this Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum as the base for my face. It just goes and gives me this nice glowy base. Now I'm just going to let the product soak into my skin. Pat it in. For foundation, I am going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. Looks like this. Very beautiful luxe packaging. I got this in the shade Neutral, number 4. Right, so this is the look. As you can see, the base did create like this nice glowy look. For concealer, I am going in with this Touche Eclat Radiant Touch concealer, and this is from YSL, and it is this concealer pen. I just need to do about 2 clicks each, just like that. Same thing on this side. So usual area, just click just on the chin and of course the forehead. So going back into the beauty blender, I'm just going to tap it into the skin, of course. I have to powder my skin, so I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury powder. I'm gonna tap this. Like, look at that. I've talked about this before. This is the Ilia Night Light Bronzing Powder in the shade Drawn In. And the trick that I've learned that I've talked about before was put it right on top of the cheekbone. Just going to tap that right up there, just so it gives my cheekbone a little bit more lift. I used to put it like right underneath it, so I did not know that that would make my face look a little bit more rounder. So it's just to give it a little bit of lift, putting it right up there. And you can't forget the forehead area. Gotta put a little bit of coloring there. Oh, this hair is a mess. So let's move on to blush, and I have this new Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Divine Blush, and this is in the color Divine Rose. Beautiful pale pink color. Tap my brush. I love how beautiful it builds. So I am finished with the face, and I'm going to be adding a liner. And the eyeliner that I've been really loving is from NYX. This is the Epic Ink Liner, and this is in the color brown. This is also a waterproof eyeliner, and it's also a felt tip, so all I need to do is shake it up. I also love that this is like a dark brown eyeliner, so gives it a more natural look. Unlike the black color, it does tend to be a little bit more intense, so I've been really liking this brown one. And I love that it actually stays on all day. I'm going back into the Dear Dahlia palette, and I'm going back to that gray color. So a trick that I've been really liking to do is to accentuate this little fat underneath my eye here. And I'm just going in with that light gray color because it's so like light that it's not going to be noticeable much. So all I'm going to do is like this. I can see like that fat right there. I'm just going to accentuate it a little bit by adding that gray color right underneath it, just to create like that effect. I've just been really liking doing that to my eyes. Going in with this Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette, I have been using this shimmery shade called Macchiato, and with a super tiny brush I'm going to add a little bit of that shimmery shade right on the lower lash line. This really brightens up my under eye. And then with another palette, you don't have to do this. I usually would use that same shimmery shade and put it on the inner corner, but I want to add another color, which is from this ColourPop Meant to Be palette. I'm just going to add a little bit of green, pastel green, onto the inner corners of my eyes. I am using this Danessa Myricks Beauty highlighter palette. This is the Lightwork highlight palette, and I've talked about this palette before, but this is just a highlighter palette with different varieties of highlighters in it. I'm going in with Common Sense, just this top up here. I've just been using this palette only, like I don't use any other color these days for my highlights. I know a lot of people don't really like the intense look, but I really do, so I just like to go ham. I'm going to spritz a little bit of Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist from ColourPop. going to quickly put on some lashes. I've been really liking these natural lashes. These are from Allure. This is in the number 117 and they're very natural and light. So I'm going to quickly put this off camera and do my brows. I'll be right back. All right, so I am back. As I said earlier, I added some lashes. As you can see, they're very natural, and I also did the brows. I have been really liking this brow pencil from Huda Beauty. This is their new Balm Brows Micro Shade Brow Pencil. What I really love about this is how small and thin this pencil is. I also decided to just do my hair real quickly, and I have been testing out this wet hair look, so I'm not really sure how I feel about it yet, but hopefully it doesn't look too weird. And yeah, we're going to finish this look off really quickly. To finish off with the lips, I'm going with this Dear Dahlia lipstick. This is the Blooming Edition Lip Paradise Sheer Dew Tinted Lipstick, and this is in the color Olivia. So it's this nice corally color. It is very sheer on the lips, so I do have to apply a couple of times. I have to go a couple of times. Sounds like it's raining outside. What the heck, it was sunny all day. And this is the lips. This is such a beautiful look for the summer. And of course, if you want to go darker on the lips, you can as well. But I have been really liking this more sheer lipstick. I can't really do lip gloss just because it does get so sticky, and I don't really like the sticky lips. So I would prefer a more tinted sheer lipstick like this. And that's the look. This is my everyday look, and like I said, I've been rocking this look lately. I'm just loving this more natural look, and since the mask mandate has been lifted, I have been able to put on some lipstick, so I get to show off these beautiful color lipstick. All right, and I want to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoy this look, and I just really wanted to sit down here and do a makeup look because I haven't done one in a while. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This could be a part of my love family here on YouTube. I'd appreciate that so much. Thank you so much for your love, your support. I do have a lot more content coming your way. I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlogs because I have been doing a lot of those lately. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.